boys and girls. So let's talk a little bit about how bees communicate with each other. So when bees are outside and they have found nectar and pollen, they collect it and then they go back in the hive. And their job is to tell the other bees where they found the pollen and nectar. And they don't tell each other by buzzing or talking. They tell each other where to find the pollen and nectar by doing a dance. And it's called the waggle dance. And this is just a way of them communicating. So, to tell other bees where to find the pollen and nectar, what they do is they first go in a circle. And then this is kind of where the waggle comes in. They kind of zigzag down the middle. And this dance is telling the bees where to find the nectar. And if the dance is really long, then that means that the place is kind of far away. And so that is how bees communicate with each other. Now, your job today is to become bees and you are going to do the waggle dance. You're going to buzz around in a circle and then wiggle your way up in the middle. So you're going to be moving those stingers. I can't wait to see your video, boys and girls. Have fun.